Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Vivofit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the date and time format on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. In the application, we need to tap on the menu/more options icon right here to open the menu. Tap on the Garmin devices. Now, select your Vivofit 4 from the list of devices. So let's wait until it's done loading. Tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on device settings and then select system. And here you have time format and date format. Tap on time format first and we can select 12 hours or 24 hours. I'm gonna select 24. Next we have date format and we can select month/day or day/month. Select the option you like, and once you're done customizing your formats, go back to the device page. It should say settings saved, and once it does, you can press and hold the menu button on your watch to open the menu, like this. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi icon is selected, this one, then press and hold the menu button again to enter the pairing. Oh, my bad. Let's do it again. Select the Wi-Fi icon, press and hold the menu button. And now the watch is syncing with our phone, as you can see. Let's wait until it's done. And after the watch is done syncing with your phone, the settings should be applied on your watch or other smart band. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.